everybody and welcome back to my channel. The holiday season has officially started, and although this year I won't do any vlogmas, I still wanted to have a Christmassy background. Alex joked yesterday that this background looks more like a politician setting who is about to give a speech or around Christmas time, but I don't see that and I still love it. And I was planning to keep it for the rest of the holiday season. So let me know in the comments below if you like it or not, if you find it very formal or not. In general, give me your thoughts about the background, and let's move on to the main theme of this video, which is the Gisou limited edition honey infused hair care set. If you follow me on Instagram, you know that I got this one last month and I already finished 2 of the products, so I wanted to tell you my opinion about that. As I mentioned earlier, this set is a limited edition and I'm pretty sure that it's sold out, but because it's the holiday season, maybe they will restock it or they will come out with something similar, and I wanted to tell you what I think about it. So I'll talk to you about this as a set and also about each product individually. So let's start with what I think about the set. This set has a travel size hair oil which has 50 ml, a mini shampoo which is in 75 ml, conditioner 50 ml, and a hair mask which I'm pretty sure is 25 ml. And as you can see, the hair oil is still pretty much full. I finished already the shampoo and the conditioner, and I have 2 more times with the mask. As I said, I think that it's really worth it, especially if you want to try the products for the first time. I already have the protective hairspray or something like that, and I wanted to give this a try. This was 49 euro, and it's a pretty good value for money if you consider that the hair oil in this size by itself costs 40 euro. So with 9 more euro you get a mini shampoo, mini conditioner and a mini mask. I got this, I think it was the beginning of November, and I wash my hair 2 times per week. So I ran out of the shampoo and the conditioner. They both lasted for 8 times, I think. Let me see. Indeed, it lasted 8 times, and I totally ran out of the shampoo, but the conditioner, it might still have 1 more use. I'm pretty impressed with the shampoo though, because it's 75 ml and it lasted pretty long. I wash my hair, as I mentioned, 2 times per week, and the process I follow is first wash them with the shampoo, rinse, wash again, rinse, and then if I go only for the conditioner, then I go for that. Otherwise, if I decide to use the mask, first I use the mask, wait, rinse, and then go for the conditioner. As you can see, the oil is pretty much full, and I used it every single time I washed my hair. So I think this size will last at least 1 year, but we'll see. So let me open it and talk about each product individually. I've decided to get this set because my hair felt super dry, and I've heard so many good things about these products. As I mentioned earlier, I already have 1 product from the brand and I wanted to try more. So I noticed that my hair, after using these products as a set, they became softer. This won't be a full review though, because I don't think that I had enough product of the shampoo and the conditioner to give my full opinion. I bought the conditioner in full size and I want to try it with the other shampoos and see how it works outside of their range. And I decided to not finish the mask and see how it works with also different shampoos. So let me start with the hair oil. As I mentioned earlier, this is 50 ml and you can buy it individually on Gizou.com. This costs €40 by itself, and it has enough product to last you long. I used 3 to 4 drops. I used it both on wet hair before I dried them and also on dry hair for the finishing result. I like both of them. I prefer though before the blow drying. I think that it really locks the moisture in the hair and they don't feel dry at all. But I also like it as a finishing result because it makes the hair shiny. It's not heavy, it's very lightweight and it doesn't grease the hair. So I really like it. The smell is divine. It's not strong, but it's very beautiful and sweet, and I don't know, it really calms me. I really like it. And this is the, how do you call it? The thingy. I also noticed that the smell really stays on the hair even after the blow dry. Normally when I wash my hair and after I blow dry them, any smell of the shampoo or any other product disappears. I really take my time because you might not see it, but my hair is quite thick and it really takes a long time to dry them, at least half an hour to 40 minutes. So after that any smell of the shampoo is really gone. But with this one, even if I use it before I blow dry my hair, the smell stays. So I really like it. I will do a full extensive review on the blog or here, I'm not sure yet, once I finish it, but it will take a long time, at least a year, to finish this product. So keep an eye for that. But from the first impression, I really like it. Now let's move to the shampoo. It also has a very beautiful smell. It's sweet but not in a bad way, and it's not very strong, so I really like that. And I noticed that it made the hair softer. In the past 4 weeks I washed my hair 8 times and each time I washed them twice, so it lasted for 16 times in total. I'm very impressed because honestly I wasn't expecting that. You don't need a huge amount and of course it changes from hair to hair, because if you have long and thick hair you need more than if you have short or thinner hair. So you will see, but for me it lasted quite long for the size of it. I noticed that it makes the hair soft, and sometimes I didn't had the need to use a conditioner, although I used it to see how they work together, because from the brand they recommend to use these two together for better results, and I was very happy with how it made my hair feel. It doesn't make a lot of foam, and I noticed that more expensive shampoos like this one, and also I had one from Kerastase, they don't make a lot of foam, but you still feel your hair very clean. So I really liked it. I'm not sure if I will buy this again, because I loved the next two products more than this one. but still I think that it's a very great shampoo. Next one is the conditioner. I've used it 8 times and I think it has for one more. I'm not sure. This one really surprised me because every time I felt that it was very light and that it didn't have enough product inside. But I think that it has one more use. Anyway, I got the big size on Black Friday, so I will do a full review once I run out of the full size conditioner. I adored that. It made the hair feel so soft. I really like that. I had conditioners also from other brands. The latest conditioner I had was from the brand John Frieda's, and I really don't know what was wrong with that conditioner, but my hair didn't feel soft after that at all. Maybe it wasn't a good combination with my hair, I'm not sure, but this one, amazing. I really like that. Also, this one has a sweet smell. I think it's the same smell with the shampoo. Very happy with that, and that's why I also got the full size. The last product of the set is the hair mask, and up until now I've used it 2 times. On the label it says that they recommend to use it 1 or 2 times per week. I've decided to use it 1 time per week, but because I wanted to test it out also with other shampoos, I decided to skip the last 2 weeks. So far, the 2 times that I've used it, I really liked it. It made the hair extremely soft, and in general I don't have very soft hair, but with these products I don't have enough good words to say about them. I really want to buy also this one in the full size. I mean, I'm very happy with the results. I don't think though that if you use the conditioner regularly, like every time you wash your hair, maybe you don't need to do it every week or 2, but the brand knows best, so you can see how your hair feel and what your hair need. So yeah, in general I'm very happy with this set. I totally think that it's worth it, and and if they come up with this one for the holiday season, I think that it will make a fabulous gift for yourself or your loved ones. I really recommend it. And I think that's everything I had to say about this one. Keep an eye on the blog or here for the update of the full update of the oil and also the conditioner. It will be at least 6 months, I think, until I finish the first product, so don't hold your breath. And that's it for today. I will see you again next week with another video. We'll probably post it not on Thursday but again on the weekend. And I will see you next week with a festive related video. So for now, kisses and goodbye.